Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. So today in this video we are going to see a home remedy to remove your facial hair. Facial hair is such that if you have a sensitive hair, then we can't do with the threading or any laser treatments. So here this home remedy will be very effective and also will help you in clearing out in a without giving any side effects, and it also keeps your skin healthy and also gives you glow as well. So it removes the tan and removes the facial hair as well, and also will help you in rejuvenating the skin and keeps it healthy and glowing. So here for this home remedy, here we are taking coconut oil, pure coconut oil, and rose water and turmeric and jowar flour. So these ingredients will help you in clearing out with the facial hair and also keeps your skin healthy. Now take a bowl, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of jowar flour. Then to this add half a teaspoon of turmeric. Then add 5 drops of coconut oil. Then add rose water according to the mix of the consistency. You need to make this paste not so flowy or not so hard. It should be like semi-solid consistency. Mix it well. You need to make a paste like this. It should be in this consistency. Now clean your face properly and cleanse it. Then you need to apply this and you need to rub it over for about 1 minute gently on your face. Then leave this pack for about 5 to 10 minutes or till this pack dries on your face. After 10 minutes, you need to slightly damp your face. Then you need to rub your face with gentle moves and remove the pack gently by rubbing it properly, and you need to wash your face with cold water normally. So doing this will help you in clearing out with the unwanted facial hair and also removes the tan on your skin and also helps you in clearing out with the blackheads or whiteheads and scrubs your face and keeps it free from the dead skin and removes the dead skin and keeps your skin healthy, glowy and brighten.